Hello everybody.
So today we are going to go on a short trip with another couple. So they are our friends. So we're gonna pick them up, and then we are going to head towards our destination. So that's a surprise where are we going. जैसे कि मैंने मेंशन किया, हमारे साथ एक और कपल जा रहा है. दोज आर आवर फ्रेंड्स. सो उनको पिकअप करने के लिए हम लोग जा रहे थे. ऑन द वे बिजित थॉट सिंस आई वाज नॉट कीपिंग वेल, वो थोड़े मेडिसिन ले लेंगे. जस्ट इन केस आई डोंट फील ऑल राइट, आई कैन टेक द मेड्स एंड रेस्ट. उसके बाद हमने पिकअप किया अपने दोस्तों को एंड फाइनली हम निकल गए towards the destination. We were really excited because with those friends it was our first short trip. So on the way जाते जाते हमने सोचा कि क्यों ना थोड़ी सी पेट पूजा किया जाए. सुबह थी अर्ली मॉर्निंग, उन्होंने ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया था तो हमने सोचा कि चलो ठीक है थोड़ा कुछ खा पी लेते हैं यहाँ पे. और ये है रेस्टोरेंट जहाँ पे हमने खाया. एंड ये देख के आप लोग को पता ही लग गया होगा कि हम लोग किस और जा रहे थे. खा पी के रॉबी विलियम्स के गाने लगा के हम निकल गए थे अपने डेस्टिनेशन की ओर. फाइनली द वेदर वाज सो ग्रेट, सो अमेजिंग. অলপ অলপ বৰষুণ দি আছিলে লাহে লাহে. আকাশখন ইমানেই ধুনীয়া লাগিছিলে. দ্য স্কাই ৱাজ ছ' প্ৰিটি and because of the weather the temperature was really good, so we could enjoy our trip. And yes, we are going towards Mysore. People in Bangalore would definitely know by looking at the road where are we heading to. On the way we reached this place called Ramnagara. So the famous Sholay movie was shot in the hills of Ramnagara. So if you can see those hills, that's where the shootings happened apparently. And Bijit is loving his drive, you can see it. Even Karnataka hon hosake bahut dunya, bahut sundar hai Karnataka. Like look at the greenery, the weather, the clouds. Oh my god, that day was, it felt like the day was so amazing and beautiful, you know. And since the time this expressway was inaugurated, traveling to Mysore has become so convenient. Finally after 2 hours हम लोग पहुँचते हैं this car museum. This was our first destination. So हमने सोचा कि थोड़े cars देखे जाए क्योंकि Bijit loves cars. And here we are.
So finally we have reached our destination.
जैसे ही हम पहुँचे हम ढूंढने लगे कि टिकट काउंटर किधर है. एंड यहाँ पे मिल गया हमें टिकट काउंटर. टिकट्स आर रियली अफोर्डेबल, बहुत ही सस्ता है टिकट. कंपैरेटिवली इट्स 50 रुपीज़ पर पर्सन, बहुत ही सस्ता. আপোনালোকেও যাব পাৰে. ফাৰ্ষ্ট কাৰখন দেখি বিজিত বহুতেই হেপী হৈ গ'ল. Bijit was amazed looking at the first car because it was his favorite color and it was a Triumph car. I don't remember which year it was. The moment we entered the museum, we could see the evolution of wheels, which was really interesting to read about and know about. लड़कों को तो देख ही सकते हो आप कितने ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हो गए वो देख के. Oh my god. Like I say, the love story between the cars and the guys is like never ending. It can never end. Both of them are like, the faces are so brightened up. It's like they've got something so special and I don't know what. Enjoy तो हमने भी किया था क्योंकि काफ़ी सारी पुरानी चीज़ें देखने को मिली. और मेन थिंग इज़ कि इतने अच्छे से मेंटेन करके रखा गया है म्यूज़ियम को और सारे कार्स को, दैट इट एक्चुअली फेल्ट really amazing. It was an amazing experience. काफ़ी क्यूट भी लगती थी पुराने दिनों के कार्स. मेरे को तो इतना नॉलेज नहीं है, but still I just loved the colors, the way it was kept. I'll show you my favorite car. This one. Oh my god, look at this. It's so classy, man dunia. I wish I could own this. Every car, every single car was like so unique, so beautifully maintained. And this is Chevrolet Impala. Look at the size of the car. It's grand. हमने फर्स्ट फ्लोर की कार्स देख ली. अब हम जा रहे हैं नीचे वाले फ्लोर में, बेसमेंट में. वहाँ पे भी काफ़ी सारी कार्स रखी हुई थी. And the boys are so excited, they almost like left us. Look at them. So yeah, I don't know the names of the cars because I can't remember it now, but हर एक कार के आगे लिखा हुआ था the name and like the year they belong to, with all the specifications of the wheels, the engine, everything, which a guy probably understand more. And this is the famous Mumbai ki Kali Pili. So beautiful to watch. Look at this beauty. I mean, it's not just one beauty, it's just beauties everywhere. And that's unique. Ohomia je koi betor soki. So ekhon asolte betor kam ase yat. Cane furniture, junto ami Englishot kau, like the cane wood. So look at the detailing, it's made of cane wood, so nice. And here is another set of beauties. It's just never ending. We loved it, we actually loved it. Look at the colors and the way they've kept, like I'm saying it again, the maintenance is really commendable here. Super nice. So this is from the brand Mazda. Now I remember when I went to Thailand last year, I could see a lot of cars from that brand which we hardly get to see in India. If you see, this car is kept on a podium which is rotating. Ghuri ase podium to. Starport gari khon ase. Imane dhuniyage present korise museum to. It's really contemporary, it's really modern. After watching all the cars, there was a section जहाँ पे पुरानी राजा महाराजाओं के टाइम की चीज़ें रखी हुई थी. वेसल्स, डिशेस, मोस्टली किचन यूटिलिटीज़ रखे हुए थे इन द इनिशियल पार्ट. उसके बाद हमने टाइपराइटर्स देखे, डिफरेंट कैमरास देखे, ग्रामोफोन्स देखे, काफ़ी सारी पुरानी चीज़ें, एंटीक चीज़ें. And I love that in museums. These are certain statues. That's the gramophone I'm talking about. और ये सारी कुछ paintings हैं. These are some ancient coins. Again, statues. उसके बाद towards the left side, there were certain arms and ammunitions, पुराने press, printing machines. These are the arms and ammunitions जो महाराजाओं के टाइम पे शायद यूज़ होता होगा. We were really amazed to see all of that.
How was it?
It was a lovely experience. I enjoyed it.
So now where are we going?
So now we are heading to Pujari Fishland
To have
for
fish.
some amazing food.
That's the
We
gang.
have Joel Dishan Ahmed and Sandra with us.
Here we reach our most awaited part of the trip actually. আমি বহুত দিনৰ পৰা প্ল্যান কৰি আছিলোঁ পূজাৰী ফিছলেণ্ড যাম চ' হিয়ৰ উই এণ্টাৰ পূজাৰী ফিছলেণ্ড ইট ইজ হিউজ ইটছ হিউজ এণ্ড নামটোৰ পৰা গমেই পাইছে ফিছলেণ্ড চ' ইয়াতে মষ্টলি মানুহ ফিছ খাবলৈ আহে চি ফুড খাবলৈ আহে The entrance was so pretty, so huge. We almost felt like we are entering into some kind of wedding because the decorations were such very royal, very classy, very Indian, I would say. So it's very huge, I would say. Like, and by the time we reached, it was full. The place was so full. Like, it had the ground floor, the first floor. It was almost full. Somehow we could find seats for ourselves in a different section. Unfortunately, we could not sit in this beautiful area. We went to some different area, but I'm just trying to show you guys around the way they have decorated the place. It is so unique, so pretty.
We have ordered so much of food.
Yeah, we ordered so much food, but then I'm liking it.
So we've come to Fishland and yes,
Turn the camera.
why not to try fish in
Turn the camera.
Pujari Fishland? So yes, let's have a look at what all we have ordered. So yeah.
Chicken, prawns curry, white rice, prawns gyros, which is already over. So this is anjal
Fish fry.
fish fry. This is again anjal curry. And that's it.
हमने इतना खाना ऑर्डर कर लिया था that we were actually struggling to finish everything. और यहाँ पे हमारी बक नहीं बंद हो रही थी. If you will ask me about a review, I think it's not bad, but it's really overhyped. And options for seafood were really less because it's called Pujari Fishland. We were expecting the entire menu to be of something special, especially for seafood. But I would say it's overly hyped. It's not a place I would like to go back again. It's just an experience that we had and we enjoyed it to some extent. Finally, we are going back home. And how can I not listen to Taylor Swift? जाते जाते Taylor Swift सुना के मैंने सबको पका दिया था. भाई मेरे लिए तो कोई ट्रिप पे जाओ और टेलर स्विफ्ट के गाने नहीं सुनो ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. तो मुझे तो वो सुनाना ही था. तो मैं तो I was on full blast listening to every possible song that I could listen to while coming back. But this trip was really impromptu, but we could do this. Everything happened on time. We really enjoyed it and I think आपने भी enjoy किया हो आज के हमारे vlog को. Thank you so much for watching us, guys. Please keep loving us, keep watching us, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Jimon Tales.